Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry I've been away so long, but I've been working on this, and I've been setting up this. But more about that later. Okay guys, let's get straight into this. These are 3 basic tarot spreads for beginners, plus a bonus at the end. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to click the notification button so you don't miss any more of my videos. Before we get into it guys, I want you all to comment below and tell me what your favourite tarot spread is or your least favourite tarot spread. What works for you? We'll start a dialogue going, we can all hit ideas off each other because I love learning new spreads myself, so there may be some out there that I haven't got a notion about. So please do comment below and let me know what you think. Okay guys, so the 3 basic tarot spreads I like to use are, number 1, the 1-card spread. So a 1-card spread, guys, is very, very simple to use. It's used for any question across the board. It's quick and it's simple, and a lot of people do it for a daily tarot guidance reading. I like it. It's very quick. There's no kind of remembering any sort of logic as to where the cards go or anything like that. It's just 1 card, nice and simple, and it works really, really well for my clients. Number 2 is the 3-card spread. Okay, so a 3-card spread, what I like to use it for is a past, present, future reading. A lot of the time you can actually, it depends on what your intent is for the cards. So you could use it for today, tomorrow, the following day. You could use it for a particular situation that you're dealing with past, present, future in, or you can apply different questions to each of the cards. It all depends how you want to read. I personally use 3-card for past, present, future because, as I always say, keep it simple, keep it basic. It's a big favourite with my clients. They can take any problem or issue they have and it actually analyses how they dealt with it in the past, how they're dealing with it now, and how to go forward from there. So it's one of my favourites and it's really, really accurate. So number 3 is the Celtic Cross spread. I use the Celtic Cross spread for a more in-depth analysis of someone's problem. It covers everything from what the actual problem is, to things that may conflict with it, to what are your hopes and fears for it, what the final outcome will be, what happened in the past, what's going to happen in the future. It covers a lot of things, but I quite enjoy it because it is quite of a nitty-gritty one, but it is a great one for beginners to get on top of at the start. So this is how I do the Celtic Cross spread. Card number 1 will be your starting point here in the centre. Card number 2 goes on top of that and it will go on its side. Card number 3 then goes on top. Card number 4 goes here at the bottom. And this is all about the root of the problem or the basis of where this problem came from. Card number 5 goes here to the left. Card number 6 is over here on the right. Card number 7 is at the bottom of this line over here. Card number 8 goes just above that. Card number 9 is again above that. And card number 10 at the very top is the final outcome or the final goal or the final task. So as I said, this is more of an in-depth analysis of a problem. So by the end of it, your client will kind of get more or less the sense of the journey that they're going on with this issue. And then the final outcome, they'll have kind of some sort of idea about how to broach the problem, which is fantastic. And it's really, really popular among my clients also. Before we go on to the bonus, guys, I want you to take a look at this question up here. Do you think a 1-card spread is enough to answer a question? Is there enough information in it to answer a client's question? I'd love to hear your feedback, guys. Please take part in the poll and let me know. Any and all opinions are welcome. Take the poll and let me know. Okay, guys, so this is a bonus spread that I'm going to share with you. I've started using it recently, tying into my spiritual guidance and my life coaching business. Woo! So I will tell you more about that at the end, but this is called Setting a Goal Spread. Card number 1 will go at the top. Card number 2 goes down at the bottom right of card 1. Card number 3 goes opposite that card number 2 on the left-hand side. And now card number 4 goes right in the center. And this one says, how can you reach your goal? That's my bonus spread, guys. I like to incorporate that into my new business, the energy tree. Very excited about it. That's why I've been away so long, guys. I've recently just got my certificates in law of attraction and life coaching. So the energy tree is all about life coaching and spiritual guidance. I'm really, really excited about this. There's a website coming soon and I will be introducing mini lessons for you guys on YouTube. So it's going to be great. Stay tuned for all of that. So the kind of sections in my life coaching that I'll be working on is transformational life coaching, female empowerment, mothers who want to get back out into the workforce, women who just kind of lost their way a little bit and they want to find a new career, weight loss, body transformation, all these types of things, because I've actually been going through the transformation myself, so I want to be the light and the motivation for other people. Okay guys, so there are my 3 basic tarot spreads for beginners, plus the bonus. But now guys, I want to ask you out. I want you to follow me home, but not to my home. I want you to join Instagram with me. This is my Instagram right here. I'm going to be putting up daily videos. I want you to follow me on my journey. I want you to be with me as I'm setting up this energy tree business. I want to be the motivation for you guys to get out there and do what you guys want to do. But I want to be putting up daily videos for you guys. You'll follow me on journeys that even if I'm going to the coffee shop, come with me. You know, be a part of my life and come on the journey with me. It's going to be really fun and really exciting. That's it guys, that's my video. Thanks a million for watching. If you guys haven't seen my video on starting up your tarot business, click right here. And YouTube will pop another video right here. I don't know what it's going to be, but it'll be fabulous anyway. And then if you want to like and subscribe, hit right up here somewhere. Love and light, guys.